how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also been using your Microsoft Teams for your video communication or meeting, so if you want to block someone or so particularly some people on your Microsoft Teams, so for to do that, just head over to your Microsoft Teams application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now what you need to do is just head over to this chat section where you can basically see all of your contacts. And currently for my case, here's only one person, so you might see a list of all of people over here. And if you have communities, you can also come over to the community and just see all of the members of the community in which you are in. So for now, I'll simply click on this chats and let me just quickly show you from an example that is. So if you want to see, so if you want to block any person over here, so just tap on this three dot icon right next to the person's profile or chat, and here you should see the option that is block. So you just have to click on it and just click on block once again. So when you block someone, they can't see your status and you won't receive any Teams communication from them, but they will be still be able to see your messages in group chats if you have one. And if you want to completely delete this person, just go to your settings from the top right corner and just go to people and manage blocked users. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.